Today I'm going to share 5 things that YouTube has taught me. And I'm not just talking about videos and algorithms. I'm talking about me and my development so that it can help you on this crazy creative journey. Hi lovely people, and welcome back to Learn with Nia, the channel where I help beginners over 40 get set up and growing on YouTube. So the first thing I'm going to say to you is that you don't need to know everything to get started. When I first started, I didn't know much about cameras or lighting. Yes, I knew a bit about audio because I'd done audio in the past, and I'd done some graphic design in the past, so I kind of knew what I was doing there. When it came to editing, I had limited experience and I'd never used CapCut before in my life, which is what I use all the time now for my YouTube videos. So when I first started, I definitely didn't feel ready, okay? There was loads I still had to learn. But what YouTube has taught me is that you learn more by doing. So experimenting with settings, changing lighting positions, experimenting with resolutions, audio quality. That's how you learn. And you get better one upload at a time. So every time you upload a new video, you develop, you learn new skills, you learn new techniques. And confidence comes after you begin, not before. Because confidence grows with you the more videos you record. So something else I found out was that your voice matters more than perfection. It's so easy to fall into the trap of thinking, oh, you have to be polished, you have to be professional. But the truth is, people connect with you, your truth, your warmth, your message. So YouTube has taught me that it's better to be authentic and helpful rather than perfect and polished. Another thing YouTube has taught me is that mindset matters more than metrics. Some days views can be low and the algorithm feels a little bit mysterious and you don't know what it's doing and you don't know what's going on. But what I've learned is not to tie my worth to the numbers. Instead, I focus on progress. So, am I learning? Am I showing up? Am I helping one person today? That mindset shift makes all the difference. Another thing I've learned from YouTube is that clarity comes with action. I didn't have everything figured out when I first started my YouTube channel. Okay, to be totally honest, I still don't. But every time I make a video, I understand myself and my audience that little bit more. So YouTube has taught me that clarity doesn't come from overthinking. It comes from creating. The last big thing I think YouTube has taught me is that this journey is about more than videos. It's about growth, creativity, and courage. I've been lucky that YouTube has given me a sense of purpose, connection with an audience, and pride in what I do. And I hope when you start your channel or grow your channel, you will feel like this too. Because sometimes for those of us who are over 40, we get consumed by our daily lives, our jobs, our family, all those commitments. And there's not much time left for us. But YouTube has given me that time. I have made that time for YouTube, even if it's half an hour a day. That half an hour can keep you feeling sane amongst life's craziness. And I've learned that even on those days where it's really hard, you really don't feel like filming. After you've done it, it feels good. So even when it's hard, it's worth it. Especially when viewers leave comments saying things like, oh, I found this video really helpful, or this helped me, or these tips were really good, or, oh, I didn't know how to do that and now I do, thank you. That means everything to me. And once you get comments like that on your channel, believe me, that'll mean everything to you too, because it'll show you that everything you're doing is 100% worth it. So what about you? What has YouTube taught you so far? Or if you haven't started yet, what do you hope it'll teach you? Pop a comment below, I'd love to hear from you. And if you resonated with this video or this video helped you, Remember to like, subscribe and hit the bell for notifications so you don't miss a video, especially if you're over 40 and just starting out on YouTube. I am here to help you, and I'll see you in the next one.